The Implications of Climate Change on the Green Sea Turtle in the Great Barrier Reef by Rhiannon Dark. So what is climate change? According to Clough and others in 2011, climate change is the long-term trends in climate over many years or decades. The Earth naturally undergoes climate change, but we are accelerating it. Certain human activities, including building houses, clearing forests, and driving our polluting vehicles, are causing an increase in the amount of greenhouse gases emitted into our atmosphere. As a result of this, our oceans are becoming warmer, higher, and more acidic, as well as the land and sea becoming hotter. For this video, I'll be focusing on the green sea turtle in the Great Barrier Reef. I have made these clay models to help explain the issue. From left to right, we have an adult green sea turtle, a nest, an egg, a baby turtle hatching, a female, and then a male baby turtle. So let's talk about the implications of rising sea levels and cyclones. Typically after mating, the female turtle swims ashore, digs a hole, and lays multiple eggs in a nest. But rising sea level and cyclones can cause that nest to be moved or destroyed altogether. Now on to elevated temperatures. The most worrying long-term impact of climate change impacting the green sea turtle is the rise in temperature, which is occurring at an alarming rate. So why does temperature matter? Apart from potentially causing egg mortality, green sea turtles undergo temperature-dependent sex determination. If an egg is incubated at or below 28 degrees Celsius, the baby turtle will be a male. If incubated above 28 degrees Celsius but below 31, the resulting young will be a mix of male and females. Now you guessed it, if incubated over 31 degrees, the baby turtle will be a female. So let's have a look at the ratio of females to males recorded on the southern Great Barrier Reef nesting sites. 13 female baby turtles for every 7 males. That's far from even. Now let's look at the results for the northern Great Barrier Reef. An astounding 116 female baby turtles for every 1 male. Now this is alarming. Green sea turtles, particularly those in the northern Great Barrier Reef, are at threat to complete feminization. Or perhaps extinction. Obviously males are a lot more common in the southern Great Barrier Reef. So one might ask, well, can't the southern males mate with the northern females? Well, no, we can't rely on this because studies such as Jensen and others, 2018, have demonstrated that they rarely interbreed and are actually distinct breeding stocks. One saving grace is in the northern Great Barrier Reef that there is a slight increase in the ratio of adult males compared to juvenile rates. But now the question is posed. How many males are needed to support a female-biased population? We don't know, and neither does Jensen and others 2018. So what management plans are in place? The Great Barrier Reef Climate Change Adaptation Strategy and Action Plan 2012 to 2017 outline the objective to lower or at least put off the dangers that climate change poses to the Great Barrier Reef species and habitats. Aims include identifying and monitoring species at risk and developing and applying systems for assessments. From the same plan, another objective was to encourage the reduction rate and extent of climate change. It was aimed to inform individuals of climate change at a national and international level, as well as to facilitate a program that supports the Great Barrier Reef's resilience. The Reef 2050 Long-Term Sustainability Plan is an overarching strategy to manage the Great Barrier Reef. Reducing the severity of climate change was demonstrated by Australia's commitment to reduce the carbon emissions and through the Emission Reduction Fund. Millions of dollars have been contributed to research for climate change, with an overall of $2 million spent to support the resilience of the Great Barrier Reef every year. But you can help manage this issue too. You control climate change. Spread the word. Act now while they still have a chance.